Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Donorbox affiliate tracking and attribution settings, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To verify Donorbox affiliate tracking and attribution settings, start by logging into your Donorbox account. Navigate to the dashboard where you can see various features. Look for the settings option in the sidebar. Click on settings to access your account configuration. Once in the settings menu, locate the affiliate programs section. Here, you will see the option to manage your affiliate tracking settings. Click on that option to open the tracking configuration. Next, review the affiliate tracking URL provided. Make sure it is correctly formatted and includes your unique affiliate ID. Scroll down to find the attribution settings. Verify that the attribution model aligns with your marketing strategy. Check if the conversion window duration meets your expectations. Adjust any settings that may need changes to suit your needs. After making adjustments, save your changes to ensure they take effect. To confirm everything is functioning properly, conduct a test donation. Use your affiliate link to submit a small donation. Once the donation is processed, return to the affiliate programs section. Look for the recent transactions list. Ensure that your test donation appears with the correct attribution. If it does, your settings are properly configured. If not, double-check the earlier steps for accuracy. Lastly, consult the Donorbox Help Center for additional support if needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.